Hello, welcome to chapter 2 Fractions. Here, Tamana is a student of grade 5. She has two chocolates of different sizes. She says that 1 by 3 of one of her chocolate is bigger than 1 by 2 of her other chocolate. Is that correct? Explain why this is so. Here, let us calculate. For example, I am taking the chocolate of here. There are how many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 9. Okay, the total number of blocks is 9. Let us calculate 1 by 1 by 2 into 9, which is equal to 4.5. Next, here 1 by 3 into 9 is equal to 3, where 4.5 is greater than 3. Here, identify 1 by 2 of the chocolate. Here 1 by 2, which is, there are 4 blocks. 1 by 2 into 4. 1 by 2 into 4 blocks is equal to, it is 2, which is 1, 2. 1 by 2 of this chocolate is 2, and let me calculate. Here 9 blocks are there. 1 by 3 into 9 is equal to 3, which is 1, 2, 3. Here, that's why she says that 1 by 3 of one of the chocolate, which is 3, and is greater than 1 by 2 of the other chocolate. Now, here why the difference came? To compare two fractions of two whole numbers, the whole from which the fraction are derived must be same. The pattern should be same. Then only we can compare. We should not compare 2 is to 2 into 3 is to 3. We have to compare 3 is to 3 into 3 is to 3. Okay. Let us play with the grades. Okay. Shade 1 by 8 of the grade A in red. Okay. Let us calculate here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 6, which is 4 into, sorry, 8 into 6 is equal to 48, which is here 48. The total number of blocks is 48. Here 48. Here 48. Now, let us calculate 1 by 8 into 48, which is 6. We have to shade 6. That is red color, using red color. 6 we have to shade for grade A. Then we have to calculate for next one. 1 by 6 into, which is 48 equal to, which is 8. Now we have to mark it in blue color, which is 8. Next, we have to calculate on 1 by 12 into 48, which is 4. Okay, now we have to underline it in 4 in grade C. Okay, now do you see 1 by 3 in any of the grids? Mark it, which is 1 by 3 of 8, 1 by 3 into 48, which is 1 balance 16. 16 can be get from grade C. Answer is grade C. Here we are going to check on is 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6. Let us check that. Okay, look at the picture and identify the fraction. Okay, let us identify that 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 6, which is 1, 2, which is 2 are fraction marked, then 4 are empty, which is 2 by 6. Are there two different way to write the fraction represented by shaded parts? Yes. Here, while we are cancelling it, 1, this will be 3, which is 1 by 3. So we can write it as 1 by 3, 1 by 3 or 2 by 6. Do you see that 1 by 3 and 2 by 6 are same? Yes, these are called as equivalent fraction. Okay. Now let us see how equivalent fractions are created. Fun with fraction kit. Gurpreet is playing with his fraction kit. Okay, the fraction kit is given at the end of the textbook. Do you remember how to make hole with the pieces of same size? Same size. Okay, how many 1 by 5 pieces will you get to make a hole? That means 1 by 5 is equal to 5 pieces. Then only we can make hole. He make a hole using two different fraction pieces. The hole looks like the following. One of the piece is 1 by 2. Okay. And the another two of the pieces 1 by 4 makes a hole. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Okay. What is the relationship between 1 by 2 and 1 by 4? Discuss in the class. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4, which is, check this. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. When we are adding 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, which we get 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. When 1 by 2 piece is broken into two equal parts, that means 1 by 2 is splitting into two equal parts, then it is 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Each part is 1 by 4 piece. Okay. Two pieces of 1 by 4 are equal to, that means two pieces of 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. What else is equal to 1 by 2? Which is 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Then 3 by 6, 4 by 8 and 5 by 10. Let us do. Now the first question, in a group of 3 or 4, find different ways of making a whole with different fraction pieces from your kit. Write the equivalent fraction for the following that may find in the process. Okay, we have to find the equal fraction. Okay, 1 by 2, then you have to add one thing, 2 by 6, then 3 by 9, 4 by 12. Then 1 by 4, we can write 1 by 8, sorry, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 12, 4 by 16. Here 2 by 10. Next 3 by 15. 4 by 20. 2 by 12. Then 3 by 18. Then 4 by 24. Here in the upper numerator we are adding one value. Here downwards here adding 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 12. Like that we have doing for each subparts. Do you see how to generate equivalent fraction for the given fraction? Discuss in the class. You can discuss it in your class. Then the second question, find the following using your kit. You can also share and check by the shading following. The first one is partially done for you. The first one is already answer, which we have to recheck it. Okay. How many 1 by 6 makes 1 by 3? Okay, let us calculate here. 2 into 1 by 6, which is 1 by 3. Here 2 by 6. There are 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 2 is added. The answer is given. Okay. In part B, let us calculate how 2 into 1 by 8. How we are taking here 2 means 2 into 4, which is 8. Okay, here 1 by 4. That is, sorry, we are intoing it 2 by 8. Here we have to share 2 regions. Okay, 2 box. After that 1 by 2, that means 4 into 1 by 8 equal to 4 by 8. We have to share 4 boxes. Here how the 4 is obtained? 2 into 4, which is 8. That's why we have to calculate that one. Okay, in here now we have to calculate that. Now coming to the part C, how many 1 by 2 makes A is equal to 1 by 2. Here we have to identify 1 by 12 into 6. Okay, which is 6 by 12. Now we have to shade 6 1. How we are obtaining 6 here? 2 into 6, which is 12. Now 3 into 4, which is 12. Okay, now 12 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 12, which is 4 divided by 12. We have to shade 4 regions. Now 3 into 1 by 12. How 3 is obtained? 3 into 4, which is 12. Here we have to share 3 regions. Next 1 by 6. 6 means how many value if we add multiple. If we add 2, then it is equal to 12. 1 by 12. Now 2 has to be shaded here. The answer for this is 6 by 12. Next here 4 by 12. Here 3 by 12. Here 2 by 12. How we are making the value? By taking this denominator 2. How many value if we multiple to get 12? Then 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. 4 into 3 is 12. And 6 into 2 is equal to 12. That's all for this. How many 1 by 2 makes? Now the third question, do as instructed using the fraction kit. Make a whole using only 1 by 6 and 1 by 2 pieces. Now let us do that. Here, now multiplying 4 into 1 by 6, which is equal to 4 by 6. Next 4 into 1 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is equal to 4 divided by 12. Okay. 4 divided by 12. Now, let us calculate 4 by 6 plus 4 by 12. Now, the denominator should be equal. Now, we are calculating denominator 4 into 2 divided by 6 into 2, which is equal to 8 by 12. Next for 4 into 1 divided by 12 into 1 is equal to 4 by 12. Adding these two values, that is 8 by 12 plus 4 by 12, which is equal to 12 by 12 equal to 1. Okay, this forms an whole number. Now make a whole number using 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 pieces. Here, taking the value 1 by 2 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Next, 1 by 4 into 1 equal to 1 by 4. Next one, 1 by 12 into 3 equal to here. 1 by 12 into 3 equal to, we are taking the value 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 12. Now calculating the value, taking equivalence, 6, that is 6 plus 3 plus 3 divided by 12, which is equal to 12 by 12. How we obtained it? 6. That means for taking 2 into 12, 2 making into 12 is into 2 into 6. So adding 6 here, 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. We are taking here 3. Next, we 12 into 1 and 3 into 1, here 3. That's why we are taking that. Making equivalent fraction. Samir has added 1/3 of the following fraction figures. He draw horizontal lines into, divide the shapes into more equal parts. Okay, how he is doing 1, 2, 3, then 1 is shaded 1 by 3. Here 6 parts are there, 2 is shaded. 9 parts are there, 3 is shaded here. Then 12 parts are there, 4 is shaded. How? These are all 1 by 3 only. How we cancel the 2? Here 3, which is 1 by 3. Here also 1 by 3 will obtain. Here also 1 by 3 will obtain here. Here he observes an interesting pattern and says that 1 by 3, 2 by 6 and 3 by 9 and 4 by 2 shows the same shaded region. Guess this one. 2 by 6 and 3 by 9 and 4 by 12 are all equivalent to 1 by 3. As shown that earlier, we use the word equivalent to indicate the same part of a whole with different names. Divide the whole given below into more equal parts and find the equivalent to 1 by 3. Write them in the boxes below the image. Okay. Here, first 1 by 3 is given here. Let us take 2 by 6, which is taking a line mark that, then 3 by 9, which is taking 3 1. Next 4 by 12, which is here 4 by 12. Okay. Now, do you see any pattern in all the equivalent fraction that you find? Yes, the same pattern is repeated. Now, finding the next values here. Here adding one value 5. Next here, which is 15. Next 6. Adding 3, which is 15 plus 3 is 18. Next 7, 21. Next 8 by 24. Next 9 by 36. How do you know when a fraction is equal to another? Discuss in the class. The below picture show 2 by 5. 2 by 5 of a whole. Find the whole different fraction that are equivalent to 2 by 5 and write your fractions below each image. Okay. Now, when will we say that our uh, our fraction is equal? If they represent the same portion of a whole, even if they have different numerator and denominators. Okay, here if we have different numerator and denominator but the same portion of the whole is same. Okay, it represent. Now here the value is 2 by 5. Next 4 by 5 is given. Then we can take 6 by 15, which is 6 by 15. Next we can take how many? 3 lines, which is 80 shaded. Remaining is 20 boxes are there. Okay. That is here 6 by 15. Next 8 by 20. Here 20 by 50. Next 50 by 100. What it represent? That means if they represent the same portion of whole, even if they have different numerator and denominator. Okay. Let us do the first question. Fill in the blanks with equivalent fractions. There may be more than one answer. Okay, now we have to answer this one. First is 1 by 7. We can take 1, 2 and here 7 7 into 2 which is 14. Here 2 we can take 4. 2 into 2 4. 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. Next 3 by 4 we can take 6 which is 3 into 2 is 6 and 4 into 2 is 8. Next 3 by 5 we can take here 6 which is 3 into 2 is 6 and 5 into 2 which is 10. If you take the fraction 6 divided by 10 equal to, we can cancel, that means 3 and 5 will be obtained. Okay. Next, put a tick against the fraction that are equal. Okay. Here 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 cannot be divided. This is not the right answer, so we cannot mark tick. 3 by 5 and 6 by 10 here, while cancelling this one, 3 and 5 will be obtained. Then this is correct one. We can tick on part B. Okay, after this 4 by 12, here 4 by 2 by 6, which is, while cancelling this will be 2 and 12 is 6. This also an equivalent fraction. This will obtain 2 value, this will obtain 6. Okay, 6. And this one 6 by 9 and 1 by 3, which here 2 by 3 only it will arrive. This is wrong one. Only part B and C is correct. Third question, fill in the box such that the fraction become equivalent. 2 by 5. 5 into 2 is 10 and 2 into 2 which is 4. 4 is the answer. 3 by 4 is equal to 1 dash by 16. 4 into 4 is 16. Then 3 into 4 is 12. Here 3 by 7. 4 into 2 is 8 and 4 in 7 into 2 is 14. Okay. 5 into 5 is 25 and 9 into 5 is 45. 45. Here 45 is the answer. Next. Comparing the fraction, same denominator. Okay. Say Sivi and Shami divided the piece of chicky between themselves. Sivi ate 1 by 3 and Shami ate rest. That is 2 by 3. Who ate more? Let us check. This is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. This is also 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Now, Sevi eats 1 by 3 and Shami eats 2 by 3. The two parts was extra eaten by whom? Shami. Okay. So, Shami ate more. Let us do. Compare the fraction given below using lesser than and a greater than sign. Here the denominators are same, only the numerator is different. Let me check. 1 for 3. Here 1 is less than. So 1 by 4 is less than 3 by 4. Next 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. Here 4 is greater than 1. So we are putting 4. 5 by 7 and 2 by 7. Here 5 is greater than. 7 by 8 and 3 by 8. Here 7 is greater than. So we are putting the greater symbol there. 5 by 10 and 6 by 10. Here 6 is greater 1. Next 2 by 6 and 1 by 6. Here 2 is greater than 1. Comparing the fractions, same numerator. Now we are checking on same numerator. I ate 4 by 6 paratha yesterday. I ate 4 by 5 paratha yesterday evening. Between Sevi and Shami, can you tell who ate more? Use the fraction kit to find the answer. Doing the following picture help your reason. Share your thoughts in the class. Here, see 5 by 4 was eaten, 1 was left here. Next, here 6 by 4 is eaten, 2 is left here. So, who ate more was 4 by 5 was 4 by 5 was greater one. Okay. In same numerator, which one is smaller denominator is known as greater one. Okay. Let us do this one. Compare the following fractions using lesser than greater than sign. Here the same numerator, which one is smaller is greater one. Which smaller denominator is greater one. So here 7 is greater than 1. Next here smaller is 5. So this is greater 1. 9 is greater than 1. So here greater than symbol. Here 9 is greater, 10 is greater than 1. 9 is smaller 1. So we are putting greater symbol. Here 6 is greater 1. Putting 7 by 9 and 7 by 11. Here 9 is smaller 1. We are putting greater than symbol here. For where the numerator is equal, then the denominator should be small, that is greater 1. Okay.